Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. If you have a Chase Bank account and need your routing number, you don't have to visit the bank or search through old papers. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find your routing number right inside the Chase mobile app. It's simple, fast, and you can do it in just a few taps. Normally, the Chase Bank routing number can be easily found on documents like checks or statements, but sometimes we need to find the routing number directly from the Chase Bank app. In that case, you simply have to follow 3 steps. Here on the screen, you can see the mobile phone screen. You need to open the Chase Bank app on your mobile just like this. As soon as you open the Chase Bank app, this type of interface will appear. If you log into your Chase Bank account through net banking, you will see same interface. We have hidden sensitive information in red. When this interface appears, you need to click on your Chase Bank checking account or Chase Bank savings account. When you click on your account, it will open and you'll be able to see your account balance. After that, you will find a small option at the bottom called Show Details. You need to click on it. Once you click, 2 lines will open. One will show your account number and the other will show your routing number. So by following just these 3 steps, you can very easily find your routing number using the Chase Bank app.